Sometimes, you might be going live on Instagram. When you're live, the camera settings are on the left side, but you might want them on the right. If you want to move them, you can. In this video, we'll show you how to move the camera tools on the Instagram live page to the right side. To do this, open the Instagram app. At the bottom, you'll see your profile photo. Tap on it. When you do, you'll notice a plus button. You can either tap this plus button and select live, or look up top for another plus button, tap it, and choose live. Once you do that, you'll land on the live page. Now, you'll see the camera settings on the left side. If you want to move them, look up top for the settings option and tap it. There, you'll find camera tools. Under that, you'll see options for left side and right side. Select right side, then go back. When you go back, you'll see the camera settings are now on the right side. That's how you can easily switch the camera tools to the right. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.